CK-12 ClassDojo EDpuzzle, an analysis and critique by Nakia Waters. Let's get started with ClassDojo. Some features of ClassDojo are that it connects schools and teachers to students and their families through the app. They can message each other without providing personal information. It's mainly known or used as a classroom management app where students and families can be alerted to positive and negative behaviors in real time as the teachers log them. Notes can be added to further explain student behaviors, and points can be awarded or removed as a part of this incentive or token economy that can be used in a classroom. Schools can also post stories and provide updates for parents about the entire school community. Teachers can message each other, and I've used the portfolio addition to this app as students could complete assignments that are shared with parents, and parents can comment on those assignments. We used it in the beginning of the year and moving forward for goals. Some great things about ClassDojo. According to Smith 2020, 84% of teachers surveyed who use ClassDojo would use it again in the future. Satin and Satin 2018 found that it helped students to self-regulate. And McHugh, Dillon, Radley, Tengstrom, Dart, and Berry in 2019 found that it decreased disruptive behaviors. Smith 2020 found some areas of growth for ClassDojo. As it is a token economy, it may not result in an authentic change in behavior. Students may be changing their behavior in order to earn an incentive that they're looking for. Students who feel that the points are too difficult may lack the motivation to continue to change their behavior. Or if the if the incentive is not interesting enough, the student may not decide to engage. And students can become upset or argumentative when they are not awarded points that they believe that they are deserving of. Moving on to CK-12. CK-12 is an open education resource. It offers simulations, visuals, activities, and quizzes based on flexbooks, which are textbooks in the digital form. These digital textbooks can be updated based on current events, and CK-12 would do that, but teachers also have the ability to update these flexbooks. Resources are available for various subjects on CK-12, anywhere from kindergarten science to physics, pre-calculus to first grade math, economics, government, history, digital imaging, and photography. It really runs the kindergarten to 12th grade curriculum. It also includes some basic education courses for individuals who are trying to get their high school diploma or their GED as well. Some glows about CK-12. Teachers are more likely to use the activities, questions, and readings from open education resources compared to those in traditional textbooks. And teachers are less likely to feel the need to adjust and supplement materials from those resources compared to traditional textbooks, even though it's much easier to adjust an electronic resource than it is to adjust a textbook. You would only have the option to supplement. And that's from Mason and Kimmons 2018. Learners can also isolate, enlarge, and interact with visuals to improve their understanding of concepts, especially in science, using CK-12, and that was found in Chin 2017. Some grows. Reading cannot be differentiated by the student's reading level, like some other websites had the ability to do, like Newsella, and that's McGlynn and Kelly 2020. There's also a digital citizenship concern as teachers make edits, and those edits are available in the flexbooks to other teachers about copyright infringement and how to avoid that using the Open Education resource. EDpuzzle is the last website that we'll go over. It allows instructors to create videos or use videos created by others for their students. Students engage with the video by adding notes. They also respond to questions, which can be open-ended or multiple choice. Teachers can restrict students from moving on until the questions are answered. It auto grades quizzes, of course, if they're multiple choice, and seamlessly integrates those scores into some LMSs, specifically Google Classroom. It allows teachers to monitor student progress and provide immediate feedback. Some glows for EDpuzzle. It increases student engagement and confidence to successfully complete labs. That was found in Shelby and Fralish 2021. EDpuzzle quizzes score higher than the traditional quiz format that was found in the same source. And EDpuzzle videos can be utilized to observe, reflect, and provide feedback for teachers on their instruction. And that was found by Kearney, Jerica, and Incy in 2020. A grow for EDpuzzle is that creating an EDpuzzle that is effective and utilizes the best practices takes lots of research, reading, and practice. That was found in Cesar Kaskrowski and Hashi 2021. The references that I used for this presentation are listed on these 3 slides. Thank you for your time.